could you, on his work in the region, and if time...
The international community has to continue to push forward the agenda of building peace in the country. I think that they can't step down just because the situation is complicated and difficult. But the UN, which is there to help bring peace, will have to step up to try to get an inclusive dialogue so that we can find some means to be able to end this conflict. So do I feel they've done enough? No, because we haven't gotten to that place.
Alive in the popular consciousness, it's very important.